Today we will discuss about the pattern of magnetic field lines due to a straight current carrying conductor. Clear? So we can understand this with the help of an activity. This is the most important question in your magnetic effects of electric current. So first take a cardboard which is placed horizontally. PQ. This is a straight conductor which is passing smoothly through the cardboard, and the two ends P and Q are connected to battery. This is your positive terminal, negative, positive, negative. This is your rheostat, and this is your key or switch. This is a cardboard which is placed horizontally. PQ is a straight current carrying conductor, and the direction of current is from P to Q, means in downward direction current is flowing. The two ends P and Q are connected to a battery, rheostat and key. Clear? Now put some iron fillings uniformly on this cardboard, and when we plug the key, then the current will start flowing from P to Q, and when the current will start flowing, then the iron fillings will arrange themselves in a particular pattern like this. That means these are the pattern or the nature of the magnetic field lines due to a straight current carrying conductor. Now the question is, what is the nature of the magnetic field lines due to the wire PQ? Your answer will be the concentric circles. Concentric circles means different circles having common center, one center. Center will be same, but different circles will be obtained. So with the help of this activity, we can find we can observe the nature of the magnetic field lines due to a straight current carrying conductor will be concentric circles. Now how can you find out the direction of the magnetic field? If we place the compass needle, if you place, suppose a compass needle will be placed at point MN, suppose, then you can find out the direction of the magnetic field. Another important rule, that is right hand thumb rule. So we will discuss about the right hand thumb rule, because with the help of this rule you can find out what will be the direction of magnetic field in this case when the compass needle will be placed. So according to right hand thumb rule, right hand thumb rule means, suppose this is my right hand and this is the current carrying conductor. If I am holding the current carrying conductor like this, in which the thumb points the direction of current, that means the current direction of the current will be upward, then the direction of the curl of the fingers, observe, the direction of the curl of the fingers will indicate the direction of magnetic field. Suppose I am holding like this. This is the current carrying conductor in which the current is flowing in this direction, means downward direction, means like this. Thumb will point the direction of current, that means the direction will flowing downward direction. Then the direction of the curl of the finger, direction of the curl of the finger means this is your clockwise, so the direction of magnetic field will be clockwise. Now apply this rule here. The direction of the current will be is downward direction, from P to Q, downward direction. Then what will be the direction of the magnetic field? That will be in your clockwise direction. So the direction of the magnetic field will be like this, clockwise direction.